Ever wondered where to travel in 2024? We've got you covered. Welcome to the new era of travel where each destination brings a unique blend of adventure, tranquility, and unforgettable experiences. As we embark on this journey around the globe, we'll be unveiling the most sought-after travel destinations for 2024. These aren't just any destinations. They've been meticulously selected based on their rising popularity, the unique experiences they offer, and their affordability. The year 2024 promises to be a year of rediscovery, a year to embrace the unfamiliar, and a year to create memories that will last a lifetime. We're living in a world that's constantly evolving, and travel is no exception. From the bustling cityscapes to serene landscapes, from the culinary adventures to cultural immersion, our list is as diverse as it is exciting. The criteria for our selection is quite simple. Popularity, for starters, is a key factor. We've sifted through millions of online reviews and travel blogs to gauge which destinations are catching the eye of travelers around the world. But popularity alone isn't enough. We're also looking for places that offer unique experiences, locales that provide something you won't find anywhere else. This could be a local festival, a historical landmark, or even a culinary delicacy unique to that region. Finally, affordability is a big factor. We all love to travel, but it's even better when it doesn't break the bank. We've considered the cost of accommodation, food, transportation, and sightseeing in each destination to ensure that these places offer excellent value for money. So whether you're a seasoned traveler looking for your next adventure or a newbie looking to make 2024 the year you finally take that dream vacation, our list has something for everyone. So, are you ready to explore the world with us? Buckle up, sit back, and let us take you on a journey to the most incredible travel destinations of 2024. Stay tuned as we reveal number 5 on our list. Kicking off our countdown at number 5 is the enchanting city of Valletta, Malta's capital. Nestled in the heart of the Mediterranean, Valletta is a blend of history and modernity. Its streets, brimming with centuries-old Baroque architecture, are a testament to its rich past, while the buzzing nightlife and thriving art scene speak of its vibrant present. From its awe-inspiring St. John's Co-Cathedral, adorned with Caravaggio's masterpieces, to the bustling Upper Baracca Gardens that offer breathtaking views of the Grand Harbor, every corner of Valletta has a story to tell. Not to mention the mouth-watering Maltese cuisine that's a melting pot of Mediterranean flavors. What makes Valletta a standout destination, however, is its size. Despite being one of the smallest capitals in the world, it packs a punch that belies its size. Bask in the city's warm sun and warmer people, walking its storied streets, and you'll find Valletta a city that's easy to love and hard to leave. Enjoy the serenity of this hidden gem before we move on to our next destination. Before we reveal our 4th destination, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content. Now let's jet off to our next stop, the vibrant city of Barcelona. This Spanish gem is a unique blend of medieval charm and modern allure. It's a city that boasts of Gaudi's architectural masterpieces, from the jaw-dropping Sagrada Familia to the whimsical Park Güell. But Barcelona is more than just Gaudi. It's a city that thrives on its passion for food, football, and festivals. Imagine yourself strolling down the bustling La Rambla, sampling mouth-watering tapas in a local bodega, or catching a thrilling football match at Camp Nou. Barcelona's dynamic culture, stunning architecture, and unrivaled gastronomy make it one of the top travel destinations of 2024. So what are you waiting for? Pack your bags as we jet off to our next destination. We're now entering the top 3 of our 2024 travel destinations. Let's dive right in, shall we? In 3rd place, we have the captivating city of Kyoto, Japan. Often overshadowed by the hustle and bustle of Tokyo, Kyoto is a city that perfectly blends the old with the new. It's a place where you can witness the cherry blossoms blooming in the spring and the leaves changing color in the autumn, creating a stunning natural spectacle. Kyoto is home to an impressive 17 UNESCO World Heritage Sites, each offering a unique glimpse into the city's rich history. From the tranquil Kinkaku-ji, or the Golden Pavilion, with its shimmering reflection in the mirror pond, to the grandeur of the Imperial Palace, the city is a treasure trove for history and architecture enthusiasts. But it's not all about the past. The city is also a hub of innovation, with a thriving tech scene and a burgeoning culinary world. You can start your day with a traditional Japanese breakfast, spend your afternoon exploring the tech startups, and finish off with a kaiseki meal, a traditional multi-course dinner that is as much art as it is food. And let's not forget about the people. The locals in Kyoto are known for their warmth and hospitality, always ready to share a smile or lend a helping hand to visitors. It's this fusion of history, modernity, and hospitality that makes Kyoto our third most popular destination for 2024. No matter what your interests are, Kyoto has something for everyone. Whether you're a history buff, a foodie, a tech enthusiast, or just someone looking for a unique travel experience, Kyoto is a must-visit place in 2024. We've had a sneak peek into the past with Kyoto, but what does the future hold? Get ready for a breathtaking journey as we unveil our second most popular destination. Scene script: hold on to your seats as we reveal our second and most popular travel destinations for 2024. Coming in at number 2, we have the city that never sleeps, New York City. The city's motto, "Always something going on," couldn't be more accurate. This bustling metropolis offers an array of unique experiences, from the bright lights of Times Square to the tranquil beauty of Central Park. The city's skyline, dominated by iconic structures like the Empire State Building and One World Trade Center, is a sight to behold. The city's melting pot of cultures means a culinary journey like no other, with food from every corner of the globe waiting to tantalize your taste buds. New York City's dynamic and constantly evolving nature is what makes it a top travel destination for 2024. Now drumroll please for our number 1 travel destination for 2024. The crown goes to the City of Love, Paris. Parisian charm is legendary, and it's easy to see why. The city's historic streets, filled with art, culture, and world-class cuisine, are an explorer's paradise. The Eiffel Tower, Notre Dame, and the Louvre are just a few of the landmarks that make Paris a city like no other. The French capital's timeless elegance and romantic allure have a magical way of capturing the hearts of every traveler. It's this enchanting blend of history, culture, and romance that gives Paris the top spot. These cities, each with their unique allure, have claimed the runner-up and champion titles for the top travel destinations of 2024. They offer a combination of history and modernity, culture and cuisine, and an abundance of memorable experiences for every traveler. These are the top travel destinations for 2024. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more travel inspiration. Let's quickly recap our top travel destinations for 2024. We started our journey unveiling the Hidden Gem, a place that takes you away from the hustle and bustle, allowing you to immerse yourself in the tranquility of untouched nature. Then we moved on to our number 4 pick, a destination that perfectly blends modernity and tradition. The excitement grew as we counted down the top 3. Each location, unique in its own right, offering experiences that cater to different tastes and preferences. From breathtaking landscapes to vibrant city life, these destinations have it all. Finally, we revealed our runner-up and champion. These 2 spots stood head and shoulders above the rest, thanks to their unparalleled beauty, cultural richness, and the unforgettable experiences they offer. And that brings our journey to an end. Thanks for watching. Remember to like, subscribe, and we'll see you on the next adventure.